Philippa Thornton, CEO and founder of Resource Therapy Institute Australia. I'm happy to talk to you today, and I'm super excited because I want you to save the date. We've got 2 days, our foundation training, resourcing your clients, coming up in May. You are going to love it. 2 action-packed days where you learn about resource therapy. Resource therapy is a unique style of therapy that engages with the parts of the personality that are presenting with your client's issues. Of course, it's open to therapists, psychologists, counselors, doctors, life coaches, NLP practitioners. We want you to benefit from the results resource therapy can deliver with your clients, because we need to have fast, effective therapy on hand today. It's a high-pressure environment living in today's world. And we want you to have all of your options open. I remember going and listening to Robin Shapiro, and what she said, well, many things she said actually struck home. Amazing, amazing person and therapist. But she said, learn everything. So that because every client's different, you need so many things in your toolkit. And that's what I'll urge you to do, is come and learn resource therapy, so that you have another set of techniques, which are easily learnt, by the way, and rapidly put into practice to get your clients the results they desire. So save the date, get a pen, write it down, get your diary, contact me, May 19th and May 20th in Sydney, Bondi Junction. You can contact me at philippathorntongmail.com, and of course there'll be a link below. And of course, we're actually going to have an extra special premiere supervision day, a doing day, where you get to practice what you've just learnt in resource therapy. So it's not only open to people who've just been introduced to resource therapy. Perhaps you've been practicing for a little while. You're getting some results, but sometimes you have a sense that you could be doing this a little bit more artfully. Of course, it takes practice. Mastery, as they say, takes 10,000 hours. So come to our doing day. That's May 21st as part of our training. Now, if you're in private practice, you may be interested in another special offering, unique to my PEPS Day, and more to come on that. That's professional essentials for private practice success. What you need to stay in business and help your clients get the most out of your therapy. Practical, professional essentials for you. That's Wednesday, May the 22nd. Love to see you in Sydney. Come and join us. Comment below, let me know, visit the website to find out more information. Thank you. Philippa Thornton, CEO of Resource Therapy Institute Australia. Bye.